guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Hinduja and here you go, our Giribhushan garu. So ఈ రోజు ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తున్నాం గిరిభూషణ్ గారు?
We are going to Vashist temple, Jogini Waterfalls.
Super. So now let's get started. So as you guys know, I'll be doing cooking, traveling and beauty blogging, like everything. So if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and if you want to give me any suggestions, you guys can give me in comments, so that can help me out more. So please do support us. Now let's go. So finally we started our journey. So now first we are going to Mall Road. So yeah, let's go. So we had our breakfast in Mall Road and we find out some yummy restaurants and cafes. So stay tuned for the video. I'll be doing Manali food blogging as another video. So finally we are going from Mall Road to
Jogini Waterfalls.
So yeah, we ended up having some good juice and drinks. So well hydrated and well had very good food. So now let's move to Jogini Waterfalls. So now we decided to go for Vashist temple and from there to Jogini Falls. Okay, let's go. So I really want to let you know this, guys. The roads were tough and hard, so the cam was shaking very badly and I'm sorry for that. So finally we reached Vashist temple actually. We didn't visit fully the Vashist temple because we are rushing to Jogini Waterfalls. The weather is so good, looks like heavy rain. So we are running for Jogini Waterfalls. So let's go. So here we have to do 40 minutes trek to see Jogini Waterfalls. Between this trek you'll be seeing amazing view of Manali and Bias River and the love of greenery. So stay tuned to see all the beautiful views in this video. So yeah, we almost completed our 30% of the trekking, and maybe we actually find out this auntie is doing all the woolen socks and which are really good and shiny. Bye, auntie. So you have to cross the small waterfall bridge, which is all built up by stones. So yeah, it's fun and crazy too, and I really love it. You guys can do some reels over there. And you have to climb up all the steps. But you know, it's totally worth it after going up. the small Jogini waterfalls, and I really love to dance in the waterfalls because that is one of my fantasy. So yeah, I really like to dance in waterfalls. Like even I did in such a waterfall also. So I'll be linking that video in the description box, so you guys can check out that video too. And yeah. So you guys can see that we have to go more up over there to see the full Jogini Falls. So we have to go this side and we have to check out the Jogini Falls over this side. So finally we are here, the biggest Jogini waterfalls. To be frank, I really liked it, guys. You guys can go in, but we didn't go in because. So finally we are here. Because there's so many boys inside, so I felt uncomfortable to go in. So anyway, however, we really enjoyed going up there, and it's really looking good. It works to go in also. You guys can give a try to go in. Now it's time to go down. Let's go. So Jogini Falls will go and join the Vashist river in the Manali. So this goes down all through the Vashist river and join it. And here there is a goddess known as Jogini Mata. And here is a small temple of Jogini Mata here. And you guys come and sit here, chill. I mean, not like chill, you guys can do meditation. So pleasant, and time is really worth for you here. So please do come and give a see here. You guys must come and see here because this is really good. So yeah, I think it's time for me to go, but I really don't want to leave this place. So yeah, let's go. It's time to go now. I'll be showing you Jogini Mata's temple also now. Let's go. So finally guys, we completed our Jogini Falls trekking and we are going back to home. So see you all there. We are going to our house, but we really don't like to go home. So we decided to just give a beautiful view and look on a Vashist river. So ta-da! So finally we are back home. Like it's almost 9 o'clock or 9:30. So yeah, after visiting Vashist river, we actually went back to Manali and we had some hungry hunts on the restaurant. So yeah, we just went for hunting to have a good food. So yeah, I'll be doing that food vlog in a separate video, so stay tuned for this. So today is the day we ended up like this. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you give a thumbs up, subscribe, and support and comment. Okay? Bye bye.